Okay.
Little Ruger 22. Yeah, exactly.
Hope somebody's not standing beside it. Okay, top left target.
Did you put one in?
Yeah, no. I should do that.
That would have been real great.
Yeah. I was actually just going to let him do it, but I thought, no, best not.
You would too, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
And stand there and laugh. Okay, Ruger 22, top left.
Pow, 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 pow.
Where did we hit? Can't tell. Here, we'll try it again.
Oh, I saw that.
Try it again.
Ooh, that hit a friggin' rock. That thing ricocheted. Here, maybe I'll stand behind you.
Watch your head.
Should be picking those things up. Take them in for copper.
Or brass.
Or brass. Whatever.
You go for the left top target, right?
I've been doing both the bottom and top on left and right.
For the bullseye, right?
Yeah.
Wow. You're hitting something dead
You're
on.
hitting that board.
There's something solid in there.
Is that
What
it?
we got left in there? Yep. Nope. That's it.
10? Fuck, let's go have a look. How'd you let that like the boiler?
He likes it, but he doesn't use it enough.
No, eh?
And he's already been talking about getting rid of it. And I'm
really?
just like, Jesus, Dad.
He got a brand new, right, from the dealer?
Yeah, it had 200 kilometers on it. It was a demo.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap, where was he firing?
That, huh?
He's way high. These ones.
I must have fucking...
You're way high.
I could have hit that fucking rock right up there in the middle.
Oh, you can see where it hit there, eh?
I seen it hit that fucking rock one shot. I was shooting down here too at it once. Right here. It was shooting high at 50 yards. Huh. Cause I was aiming here.
Hey, look at that.
Right there. Did you find it? Oh no, that's not from that, is it?
No,
That's
something
bigger.
else.
Something bigger.
Huh.
Sweet.
We gotta bring it down a little bit, eh?
Yeah, that's got to come down.
Fuck, must have hit it with something.
Probably fucking 20 clicks, eh? Because that was to get from here up to here with mine was 20.
Is that right?
Yeah. And you're up the same distance, so probably 20
And same thing up here, right?
Yeah.
You pretty much bang on the...
You bang on straight. Yeah.
Just a
Side to
stuff
side,
up
you're
the window.
fine. It's up and down, so.
I wonder if it's just, well, if we were fucking shooting cartridge a lot closer, like at fucking 20, 30 yards. Well, fuck, let's